Data drives decision-making across every industry. As your organization grows, the amount of your data of all shapes and sizes will only grow. Wherever your company stores its data, in the cloud, on-premises, or both, the ability to analyze data in real time gives your organization a very competitive advantage. However, the variety of data sources leads to situations where you expect an interface other than the one exposed by the data source, or rely on a data access provider that isn't fully compatible with the data source. This is where Devart Data Connectivity Solutions comes into play. For more than 20 years, we have been developing professional solutions for the vast majority of data access technologies. Devart connectivity solutions are used with multiple business intelligence, reporting, analytics, and custom data-driven applications to help your company grow and make better business decisions that are backed up by data. This is why thousands of companies, including Fortune 100 enterprises, are already using our data connectivity solutions. Choose Devart as your premier data connectivity partner